Hello kids, welcome to NN Champs. In this video, we are going to learn about consonant blends. What is consonant blends? A consonant blend is nothing but two or three consonants that come before or after a vowel, where each sound can be heard. We have different types of blends: L blends, R blends, and S blends. We will see one by one. First, let's see L blends. In L blends, we have different groups: BL blends, CL blends, GL blends, FL blends, PL blends, and SL blends. First, let's start with BL blend words. B, L, bill. B, L, bill. Let's see some examples for BL blend words. Bill, ack, black. Bill, ack, black. Bill, anket, blanket. Bill, anket, blanket. Bill, ock, block. Bill, ock, block. Bill, o, blow. Bill, o, blow. Next, CL blend words. K, L, kill. K, L, kill. Let's see some examples for CL blend words. Clean, clean. Clean, clean. Clock, clock. Clock, clock. Clown, clown. Clown, clown. Cloud, cloud. Cloud, cloud. Next, FL blend words. L, fill. L, fill. Let's see some example words. Fill, ag, flag. Fill, ag, flag. Fill, at, flat. Fill, at, flat. Fill, ip, flip. Fill, ip, flip. Fill, ash, flash. Fill, ash, flash. Next, GL blend words. G, L, gull. G, L, gull. Let's see some example words. Gull, add, glad. Gull, add, glad. Gull, ass, glass. Gull, ass, glass. Gull, o, glow. Gull, o, glow. Gull, oo, glue. Gull, oo, glue. Next, PL blend words. P, L, pull. P, L, pull. Let's see some example words. Pull, ant, plant. Pull, ant, plant. Pull, A. Play. Pull. A. Play. Pull. Ug. Plug. Pull. Ug. Plug. Pull. Plum. Pull. Plum. Next, SL blend words. L. 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 Sil. Let's see some example words. Sil. Eat. Sleep. Sil. Eat. Sleep. Sil. Ip. Slip. Sil. Ip. Slip. Sil. Eyed. Slide. Sil. Eyed. Slide. Sil. I'm. Slime. Sil. I'm. Slime. Next, we'll see or blend words. In or blends, we have BR, CR, DR, SR, GR and TR blends. First, let's start with BR blends. B, R, Brr, B, R, Brr. Let's see some example words. Ein, brain. Ein, brain. Ed, bread. Ed, bread. Ick, break. Ick, break. Broom. Broom. Next, CR blend words. Cur. Let's see some example words. Cross. Cross. Own. Crown. Own. App. Crab. App. Crab. Ack. Crack. Crack. Next, DR blend words. Let's see some example words. Dress. Ink. Drink. Ink. Drink. Op. Drop. Drop. Dry. Dry. Next, FR blend words. Aim. Frame. Aim. Frame. Ease. Rice. Ice. Of. Frog. Of. Frog. Fry. Fry. Next, GR blend words. Grr. G, R, grr. Let's see some example words. Gr, eight, great. Gr, eight, great. Gr, apes, grapes. Gr, apes, grapes. Gr, ass, grass. Gr, ass, grass. Gr, ill, grill. Gr, ill, grill. Next, t, r, r. T, r, r. Let's see some example words. Tr, ein, train. Tr, ein, train. Tr, e, tree. Tr, e, tree. Tr, ak, truck. Tr, ak, truck. Tr, offie, trophy. Tr, offie. Yes, blends will come in next part. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.